Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to hide your Facebook friend list. Why would you want to know how to hide your Facebook friend list? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to hide your Facebook friend list. So today I am going to show you how to hide your Facebook friend list. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding your Facebook friend list is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will hide your Facebook friend list. First of all, open Facebook app in your device. Now click on three lines in the right top corner and then scroll down this page and click on settings and privacy. And now click on settings. In this new screen, click on how people find and contact you. And then in this new screen, change the privacy of public to only me in who can see your friend list menu, and your Facebook friend has been hidden. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide your Facebook friend list, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.